Boom. Yeah, dog, so. Boom. Yeah, when I deal with dog, it been about 2 weeks now since my life fuck. Shit. Probably about 3-4 months now. My fault, I'm sick out. Yeah, dog, about 3-4 months now, I'm gonna drop no video, dog. Me a lot, dog, but watch you know. This time, I start back drop video, I'm gonna have a lock, you see me? As you can see, dog, I'll have a fresh cut. You see me? I really say fresh, but dog, here now, I again. That look like a kid again. Anyways, yeah, dog, so when I been on see them thing here growing, but what the fuck this name? Pop the balloon challenge, you see me? So me previously I'm gonna react to a couple of them, you see me? Getting some content. You see pre. But yeah, dog, we're taking a visual yeah. So just stay tuned and watch out all going. See pre. Boom. Jaja. That's why I can't do them thing, you know, dog. If I come in and this happen, brother, all me I do, I just spin and cut, brother. But even want to hear why them pop it. I don't have time for no talking, bro. Imagine me sit down and listen to why them a diss me and all of them fool. You mad, brother?
Not even introduce himself.
What can go so?
Why you pop the balloon?
He's nice, but I don't like people that bleach their hair.
This look serious, man.
Why the gun finger?
No. That's a habit, you see me? I'm not a gunman though.
Why the big chain?
Because you must mind some weird.
You no go with your
No
sword.
problem, cool.
So we broke up 3 days ago. How you end up a look love right as now?
Tell me something. What can go so?
Good evening, ladies. My name is Paul.
Yeah.
Tuba.
Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Harley. I popped the balloon because of your name.
Paul. Man, you some old man name.
I had a bad experience with it, Pauls. I hate Pauls.
But then I don't like the fact that he's like giving a lot of compliments to these guys. You know, he might talk to them too long. Yeah, it's supposed to be short and move on.
What do you think about Army G?
6.
6. Yeah.
Big cat.
Yeah.
Hey boy, please stop the capping.
I think he didn't know some that will come and him just want to show up to see if me go find a match.
No.
Yes.
Are you running yesterday? They don't know that already. Me not come from yesterday.
Novo Pandora.
Yeah, man, Rolley. I don't have time for all of them. Start up the thing.
Navan, it's the business travel platform that's taking the world by storm. Every employee can book their own flight.
Right? No lie. I don't feel for go home. Ochi am a place right now. Bespoke, have me. Send him in. Alright, I really like when I look on the present, you see it.
Wait. None of them. Not even one, bro.
He not even introduce himself.
Father!
You not even introduce yourself, my
My name
G?
is Mike and I'm a tattoo artist.
Mike, tattoo artist.
My Instagram is King Tattoos 876.
Alright. What type of
Dog, ink up
girl you like?
Dog, ink up ever. Say dog, ink up. Dog, ink up ever.
To be honest, somebody just cool and humble and, you know, nothing too much for it. The personality has to up to par and that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so we'll find out why them pop the balloon.
That's
That
fine,
good?
no problem. That's fine, no
We'll
problem.
start with right here, so. Good?
Yeah.
Alright then. Why pop the balloon, mama?
Nothing really, just not my type.
It's not your type?
No.
So not a reason. You just pop the balloon because he's not your type?
Not my type.
So why is not your type?
Just overall, looking at him physical features.
Some physical features.
John know that, man. I tell you that. Them little thing, bro. Jaja, bro.
Alright, based on 1 to 10, how much would I rate him?
So like in fit or look.
Yeah, based on how him look.
He's okay. I'll give him a 7.
7. Why you give him a 7?
He put himself together.
Yeah?
I like guys with beard, but it's still not my type.
But the beard is a plus though.
Let's go, bro.
Eh?
That's true.
So what you say about that?
Still not.
Still not. How do you think about she, Maji?
Yeah, she's nice. She's cool. You
Just
know.
the mic, yeah?
Yeah, she's nice. She's cool. I mean, I don't really know her like that, but just by looking at her, she seems nice.
Yeah?
That's it, yeah.
How much would I rate her from 1 to 10?
I'll give her an 8.
8?
Yeah.
That nice.
Yeah, I'll give her.
Why she get that 8?
She's nice. Her toes is nice. Her hair is nice. She's a nice female. Her tattoos are nice. Yeah.
Worse, she's a tattoo artist.
Exactly.
How much would I rate her tattoo?
10.
10?
Yeah, they look nice. Yeah, they really do.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's the girl Arlie, and you can find me on TikTok on __Arlie__1.
Going on the line. Alright, wipe up the balloon.
Just not my type. I don't like guys with a lot of tattoos.
Also because of the tattoo?
Yeah, that's what she
Yeah.
says. Tattoos. Okay.
So you pop it because him have one tattoo?
Yeah, too much tattoo.
Too much. Yeah.
So how much is too much?
Like, too much tattoo. You have tattoo here, so tattoo here, so tattoo here, so tattoo in your head. Nah.
You have tattoo in your head?
Mama say dog have tattoo all in my head.
That's what she said, right? Yeah.
You have
Yeah,
tattoo?
it's there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
But rate him from 1 to 10.
I give my 8.
8.
Yeah.
So about that, Maji?
Yeah, I really appreciate that. Of
Yeah?
course. Yeah, why not?
How much should I rate she?
I
Like,
give
base
her-
if she...
Wait there. I don't know if I may alone peep this, but the dog talk softer than how him look. The dog have a grimy look, but the dog talk soft. I don't know if that makes sense.
Just see her on the road, what you think about her?
I mean, to be honest, I give her a 7. Yeah, I give her a
7.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you say about her?
Yeah, that good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But if him look at on the road though, what would you say? If him approach you?
Not interested.
You have to spit some good game.
No problem, bro.
Alright.
Hi, it's a girl Whitney Boo. You can find me on Instagram at CoolEllis_576, TikTok Whitney Poo 1, and on YouTube you can find me at Life with Whitney Ellis.
Alright. Wipe out the balloon.
I don't like lighter skin. Yeah, that's it.
Lighter skin.
Like him too light, him too. I like dark skin guys.
Okay.
Oh, so you like the complexion. So it's a complexion where you pop the balloon?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
6.
6. Because of the skin color?
Yeah, the skin color.
So if him get dark though.
How is he gonna get dark?
Right? I mean,
Oh, you're naturally, bro.
Is that
yes,
possible?
I am. I don't bleach or none of that
Okay,
stuff.
good.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like
That's cool.
the darker skin.
Yeah.
Okay. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Give her a 9.
You get a 9.
Just being honest, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You get a 9. That's good. So film numbers change?
No, it's still the same.
Okay. Alright.
It's your girl Yeshi Renee, and you can follow me on all platforms. It's all Yeshi Renee, YESHIE REN.
Your name Shorty? Come me on the phone right now. I'm doing my phone. What she said she name? Fuck. That's your whole America, dog. But even bother want to follow you. Crosses.
Double E. Big up yourself, Rolley.
A boy can't pull me out. I've been on a place.
Alright, you have to tell me why you popped the balloon.
Give me a uncle vibes, like.
I'm not hear you.
Give me a daddy vibes.
Oh, cool. Damn, that's what's up.
Daddy?
Daddy vibe.
What you mean?
Old.
Oh?
Old.
Old?
Old. Old.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, him just look, him seem old.
I can't go watch this video no lick up, man. Crosses, blood clot, girl, that's the thing. Tell me about the little crosses, girl, you know dog, girl, the crosses screen. My wife, if I watch this, I don't know you, but crosses.
Older?
Okay.
Look how me run for the father.
Like him and your father?
But the father,
Okay.
Okay.
How much do you love your father?
I don't love it.
It's okay. Thank you. Let's go.
Oh, so she have like daddy issues? Well, on.
No.
No, I'm gonna say that, but
Like
I'm
seriously.
not grown him, so.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh,
I
so
appreciate the
basically-
honesty.
But he look elder, so.
Yeah.
Oh.
Give me a daddy vibes, so.
So basically, any older man where approach you, you not like it because you have past.
No, not the past, but too old.
Okay, alright.
A CRM shouldn't weigh your budget.
Alright, how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
5.
5. What do you think about her as a same as?
She's nice. Well, you want me to rate her, right?
Yeah, from 1 to 10.
Okay, I give her a 7.
7. Why you give her the 7 though?
You asked me a question just by her appearance, not because of what she said, obviously.
Okay.
Because she's being honest, and I'm
Yeah.
being honest.
True.
I give her the 7 just by her appearance.
I'm telling the dog, I'm alone, Pete. They said, dog, look like you run you down and shoot you. But when the dog attack, dog sound like a counselor. It just not hard up, bro. Not hard up.
Great, thanks a lot for that.
No problem, bro.
Hey, it's your girl Bree. You can find me on Instagram, skies_boss, TikTok, Bree442.
Alright, why you pop the balloon?
Yeah. My name's Ja. I'm just playing. But you look nice. You dressed for the event. I do think you're just a little too old for me.
Okay, no problem.
That's all.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
That's because of the age bracket?
Yeah.
But you're not asking him age though.
I mean,
For no.
how old are you?
I'm 37.
See?
Okay.
It's over. That's like a 15, like, no. Yeah.
Oh, so you're not like a mature sugar.
No, you're right. No, you're no, man.
You're cool though, and you handled the balloon pops really well.
Of course,
Good personality,
why not?
really
Of
good.
course,
Yeah.
yeah.
Just too old for me. Handled the balloon pops really well.
Of course,
Good personality,
why not?
really
Of
good.
course,
Yeah.
Ah, boy, I'm not saying no.
Just too old for me. Okay.
Alright, so how much you rate him, sir?
6.
6.
General.
You think about her?
I give her a 7.
7.
Yeah, I give her a
Thank you.
7.
I
You're
could
welcome.
count in 6, 7. Yeah.
You're funny, but it's okay.
Yeah. All right.
My name's Ja, repping East Atlanta. You know it. Me and my homegirls shooting a music video at the end of next month. So tune in. My Instagram's Bandit Baby, BanditBabee.
All right. Why you pop a balloon?
Just a tattoo. Just a tattoo.
It's tattoos?
Just the tattoos.
Yeah,
she
just the
said.
tattoos. But I give you a 9.
Thank you
Just
very
the
much.
tattoo.
9. So that means that the highest score.
Just don't like the tattoo. The evil tattoo.
Okay, no problem.
You're cool. I like your personality.
Yeah, man, no problem at all. I appreciate that.
So if him get up tomorrow and say, I'm going to laser it off him.
Will never happen. That will
No?
never, no, that will never happen, bro.
Okay, so you're not going to change for nobody?
No.
I respect that.
That's good.
Yeah, I will never do that. I'm sorry.
You give him a 9, so how much did I give her?
I give her 8.
8?
Your personality is up.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah,
Thanks.
she's cool.
All right. So if him pass it on the road, though, you'd tell him said because of the tattoo.
Yeah, because of the tattoo.
Okay, no
But if
problem.
him personality grab you,
No, the tattoo. I just still
Tattoos,
not like
yeah.
a tattoo.
okay, understand.
I'm Macy. Follow me on Instagram at Macy_, and on TikTok, Instagram Macy.
Right, so come to the side of my G.
Okay, no problem.
As a females, basically, who pop the balloon, walk with grace. I'm a march out.
Yeah.
All right, my G.
All right.
Today you never get a match,
No problem.
but we understand say I'm a bad artist, bad tattoo artist.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah.
respect.
So pick up yourself.
All right, cool. Man,
Yeah,
first.
fully.
All right.
Wait there.
Dog, chill.
Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Please look straight ahead. That's all. Me I tell you on camera. Look straight ahead, okay? So when him forward in, you see him first. You're not anticipate the moment. That good? Yeah. All right then. Send in the first mail. Just look straight ahead. All right. Introduce yourself, my G.
Good evening, ladies. My name is Paul.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Good man.
Paul, what you do?
YouTube.
YouTube. All right. What type of girl you like? Just use the mic here.
I like a girl have a head pan her body. Know what she want.
Yeah. Ambitious.
Yeah.
All right then. So we get some pop just a while ago, Paul. So we can find out why them pop the balloon. That good?
Mm.
All right. I go to the first person.
Which
Come. Which is here.
Here.
Yeah. Come to that side of here. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Bree.
Why you pop the balloon?
Not proper attire.
No, I'm not here.
Not proper attire.
Not pepper what?
Attire.
Not properly attired.
Okay. What do you mean by that though? No, I just want I don't know if you're just throwing words.
It doesn't not my type then.
Him not seem like a type?
No.
Alright, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
3.
3. Alright, she give her 3, my G. What do you think about that?
Okay, man.
Yeah? What do you think about her though? If you see her up on the road, you don't call to her?
I give her a 7 still.
7. What you like about her? All heap of things you think. Eh?
But she's just a 7, man.
7, that's it.
Yeah.
Just give her 7. Come in. Move on to the next person. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Macy. He's just not my type.
He's not your type?
No.
Alright, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Can give him a 6 because he look humble.
6. Because of the humble.
Yeah.
What do you think about that, G?
It's alright, man. When I give her as I say, I give her a 7.
Or you just give her 7?
No, man. It's 7 number lucky, you know. She look lucky.
Oh, she look lucky. Like one of them lucky girl. Like. What you like about her though? I don't want you just give them a number
But
because
she look like Ariel in her outfit. Ariel? In the mermaid.
Oh, she look like a mermaid.
No, she look like a girl.
Eh?
No, she look like Ariel in her outfit, man.
Oh, she look like Ariel.
Yeah.
The mermaid.
Yeah.
Oh. Ariel look to you. Describe her.
You know, she has shape and something. She's not that bad. It's not a bad compliment.
Or like an hourglass, something like a mermaid, something like that.
No, Ariel, the girl, the mermaid itself. What's she shape?
Oh, she look like a mermaid. Okay. Alright, then you get her 7.
She alright, they wave like mermaid.
Alright.
With that.
Alright. That's side there. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Whitney. Just not like him look.
Just not like how him look?
Yeah, and he's not my type.
So you don't like how him look? That's why he's not your type, or he's not your type? Which one?
Not my type.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.
7. Lucky number.
It's not bad up, man.
You not here.
Yeah, no bad up.
What going around this one? Watch that girl. How was she a kiss off?
Type.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.
7. Lucky number.
That means either a dog round about this one. I know this one. You know. Shorty have a eye on somebody with back of this one around this one.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.
7. Lucky number.
It's not bad up, man.
You not here.
Yeah, no bad up that.
Alright. So you should give us every way you think about that.
I think I want 7 yes.
You give her 7 too.
Me say me think me want 7.
Alright. How much should I give her?
She alright still. I give her 1. I give her 7.
5.
Her name experience with it, Pauls. I hate.
Man, you have some old man name.
I had a bad experience with it, Pauls. I hate Pauls.
Jaja. Every Paul different still.
Because I'm name?
Just a name.
Which month you born?
November.
November, yeah.
Come like thing just is like I miss anything in our brain. Like me just say no say that chat today I got blood clots. How in November people so fool I go fool
I was Scorpio.
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius and your followers. And Sagittarius get along well too.
Really?
Oh, so you should always a day with the Paul them. That's they have a back
with him. Stay with me, me ask.
Okay, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
He's handsome, I give him a 8.
What you think about that, Maji?
I'm going, man. You work with a 8.
8? How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
She not look bad, no, but she say she have bad experiences with the Paul.
Yeah.
Thing.
So that mean?
I give her 7.
7. Lucky number.
Yeah. Lucky number. Number like that.
Yeah, so she lucky too. Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright then. First of all, you never popped the balloon.
No.
And you waited, why?
I waited because him seemed very humble and I like that about him. But then I don't like the fact that he's like giving a lot of compliments to these guys. You know, he might talk to them too long. Yeah, it's supposed to be short and move on. Yeah. But it seemed like him interested in most of them, so.
Oh, so you're saying probably interest, a lean.
Yeah.
So him can't be trusted?
No.
What do you think about that, Maji?
It's just the content still. Them don't pop them balloon. I'm not gonna feel less about the case and pop the balloon. Replicate back the same energy, you understand? Yeah, give me no bad vibe, so I'm not push off no bad vibe.
No, I didn't say bad vibe, but you can just, quick talk and move on.
You know, like your man who talk to other woman.
No, I don't like that at all.
If you might order KFC him for this.
Quickly, don't be too friendly. Give him a.
Okay, I mean,
That's it.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You're lucky.
I'll go to the next grade.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name's Ja. I just popped it because I don't think we're a match, but you're attractive. Just I don't think we belong together. Yeah.
Okay, alright. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 based on how him look?
7.5.
7.5. So if him walk up to your outer road, him would I get your number?
I don't think so.
You not have no game?
What would you say?
Walk up to your road?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, plan on me. I go. No plan on that's it.
No.
But him just come out.
You can stay. You look.
Oh, the AC chilly. Yo, bespoke.
Love it.
You love the AC?
Good evening, ladies.
All right. Introduce yourself, Maji. Your name is?
Pablo.
Pablo?
Yeah, man.
What type of job you do?
Braces.
Braces, that not bad. What type of girl you like though? Or your type?
Natural.
No, yeah, for
Natural.
natural girl.
Yeah, man.
What do you mean natural like?
Not too much makeup and, you know, bleach out them skin and them. Yeah, natural.
Something like a rasta?
No. Like Indian, cool them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Natural.
Natural.
All right, my G. What you know? No female pop their balloon.
Yeah.
This is a good thing, you know. Yeah?
Active,
right?
Yeah, and they all are attractive. I gotta be honest about that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good compliment. Wow. All right, so that unexpected. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. That good?
Yeah, man. I'm cool with
that. Yeah, almost have it, my G. Use the mic here.
Yeah, bro.
All right, your name? Why you pop the balloon, though?
I'm sorry, Ja. He shot at everybody at one time. Like, yeah.
What do you mean by that?
He said they're all attractive.
No, I'm just complimenting everybody. That's me.
Okay. I respect it, but I'm okay.
Oh, so because him complimented everybody,
Yeah. He cool with anybody up here.
you not like that?
No.
You compliment everybody, you not like that?
Mm-mm.
That's why you popped the balloon?
Yes. Sorry.
What do you think about that, Maji?
No, that's fine with me, bro.
Yeah,
that's just jealousy. No, I understand. Huh? Yeah, she kind of jealous.
I knew he was a bit sassy, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Next caller.
All right, no, we want to find out. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
5.
5. Why 5?
But his comment just took him down like 2 more points. So
Also, he was a 7 before?
when he had his mouth closed.
Oh, so he must have.
Nah, what? So they say dog is attractive when he have his mouth closed.
Without the mouth and the toe.
So, yes.
I like the honesty.
Yeah, man.
That bleach their hair. Yeah. I don't like that.
Bleach their hair?
Yeah, like the bleach, whatever. What do you call it? Dye?
Yeah.
Bleach. Yeah.
Dance.
I don't like guys that bleach their hair.
Oh. So what that do to you?
It's just a no for me.
What do you think about that?
No, that good, man.
Yeah.
And so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
A 6.
Yet. They're saying in the comments, say, man, I give the female them a chance to explain and get to know them. You see?
Yeah.
May I listen them voice? May I try answer them prayers?
Yes.
Yeah. So right about now, you're gonna ask 2 female question, but you're gonna pop 1 based on attire. So just pop a girl balloon right now, based on how she dress, how she look. Based on her attire, pop 1 girl balloon. Alright, I'll find out.
That one your balloon him should have pop in a she. You see she want her balloon to get pop, bro. Can't tell by her body language. I feel her balloon would have a pop. That girl I never want her balloon pop. Look on that girl that body language, brother. Look on her. Look how she look evil. I look evil face. Look how she look evil. No, about free. Look for shorty. Pretty shorty. Just watch shorty.
Based on how she dress, how she look.
Look. She not care. Look. Everybody pay attention.
Based on her attire, pop 1 girl balloon.
All over the place. Watch out. Then I see she start doing little thing them with her eye. Watch. Okay. You see that?
Alright, I'll find out why. Alright, your name?
Whitney.
Alright, why you pop her balloon? Whitney balloon.
Cause we know her.
Yeah.
Oh, you know her?
Yeah, we know each other.
So what that mean? She get friend zone?
Friend, yeah.
You get friend zone. She, let's do this. Alright?
Yeah.
What you have to ask our question? Come over there.
How much personal relationship have you been in?
3.
3.
And the only relationship.
What that mean?
Because of them alone, I deal with.
Or
4.
All 3?
Or in your lifetime, are just 3 relationship?
Yes.
Yeah?
That kind of sticky though.
Alright, I will ask somebody else a question. Good?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, what the question?
How much is your body count?
I wish not to disclose that.
Why?
Personal reasons.
Oh, okay. What type of man do you like?
What? Why? What happened? Why?
The person asked what about body count.
Oh, that was a no-no?
Yeah, definitely. Turn off. Yeah, like, come on.
So when somebody asks that, what you think?
What would that concern him?
Tell her why you ask the question.
Well, for me have to know a girl body count if I go take her serious.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
Why?
No, it's important for me. I don't know about next nigga, you know.
Oh, you just want to know who she there with?
No, I'm not busy about who she there with, but the amount of guys. You know.
Who go there?
Yeah.
No problem. Cool. No problem.
Alright. How much you?
Too thick.
Him too thick?
Tommy was so nice.
Oh, because him too, like him body.
Shawty said this man too thick for her. And if I bet you say for you would come in this way, maga than this man, bro. Shawty gonna say dog too maga for her. Dog, some of the time I feel dog, I don't even feel like me I want to watch no more of that video, dog. I can't feel like say all them girl I just say anything, brother. Dog, to be honest, bro, I might not watch your whole video. I might not watch your whole video, bro. And like some of it, like, but it's like, bro, I know when people just attack fuckery, brother. Bro, this man thick. The dog have a average body. The dog not thick, bro. I'll see if I should say on YouTube, man. I gotta see. I just have to try prove me I use a way of showing all people. Just say anything, brother.
And because you're slim. So what type of man body built you like?
Height. Slim like me. Or slim like me.
Oh, you like a slim man because you slim? How much you rate him from 1 to 10?
He look nice. I'm gonna give him 8.
8?
Yeah.
What you like about him?
Okay, when did I say what you like about him? She say, I like him body, I like how him thick. Then we
Give ourselves 1 year to get this dialed in from idea to finished product.
He carry himself good, nothing wrong with him. But it's just not my
type. What you say about that, Maji?
Yeah, that good for me, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Would I give her a 7.5, bro? Yeah. Standard.
Why?
For me, you can't really fall for a nigga say, but him actions.
What's your actions?
So I can tell her anything, and it must be true.
So that you think we do?
Huh? No, I'm just saying something to you. Explain that.
No, I asked you to tell me your personality. Not
Dancer. The braces for your arm.
How much to them, G? Day and night, do. Yeah. Alright. Use the mic. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm
Like
Okim.
first and the last one of them video I'm gonna react to, bro. Video bad still on, but I just feel like it'll get drawn out. I just get bored. I get bored quick, dog. Me easily get bored, bro. Let me see who I want come in. I'm trying to see something. Swear, me easily get bored, bro. Easily get bored.
Palmer. I'm a dancer artist slash store owner.
Alright. Wow.
Michelle.
Alright.
My last name is Palmer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
What that mean? First, my G.
She.
She?
Yeah.
Alright. Why you pop the balloon?
My last name is Palmer.
Bro, what? Bro, I feel like I lose brain cell I watch this, brother. What that supposed to mean? Look at Rolley face. Cause I Rolley confused. So you pop the balloon because your last name is Palmer. What? Weird. Probably me a judge. Let me hear the whole let me hear the context of where she come from.
Yeah. Alright. Why you pop the balloon?
My last name is Palmer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
What that mean?
We could be siblings. Our family.
Or you could be my wife.
Oh, wow.
That would weird still, but
Very.
that would weird still.
That would weird?
Yeah, but
okay. So you stop it there, so.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so how you rate him from 1 to 10? If you never
Look what we just say, bro. Tell us they gotta say anything, bro. Imagine you pull up on and say I gotta pop a balloon. And then you ask her why she say because she have on clothes. What? What you talking about? And that it sound like to me just a while ago, cause I'm like, what the fuck she talking about?
name Palmer though, cause in our family.
Yeah. Bro, you look good, man. You look good, bro. 8.
8. You give bro 8.
Yeah, man.
Why 8? Why pop the balloon?
Why roll?
What that mean?
No, grab me. No.
Sound no reason.
You don't know.
Run through the door. I must say that you are dog.
Why you pop the balloon?
Coffee Street dance that.
Like.
Alright. So why you pop the balloon?
It was the stretch mark comment.
You have stretch marks?
Yeah, I got a few stripes on my butt.
Oh, that's different.
No, it's not different. Stretch marks are stretch marks. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also because him implemented shouldn't have a stretch mark.
Yeah, I think it's kind of shallow. What if he got married to somebody up here? They had a baby. They had a few in their
that's
stomach.
Different still. That's different.
But you still don't like them. So I'm okay.
Oh, because him saying I like stretch mark.
I think ahead. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, so you're thinking of the future?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
6.5.
6.5. Alright, what do you think about RMG?
6.
6.
Yeah.
Pop the balloon?
As I said before, the tattoo and the fact that they don't like stretch mark,
Yeah.
throw me off too.
Okay.
Kind of throw you off.
Because my have water wave.
Yeah.
So, you know what is water wave, right?
Huh?
Water wave?
What she mean still?
You know what I mean?
You know what you mean?
Different.
Okay, for Eh? What you say? What you say?
No, I'm not to say.
What you say? Alright, introduce yourself.
Blessed, my name is Mr. Famous, producer, videographer, photographer, and
You know, like videographer? What the fuck? You know, like videographer or something, shorty?
a jack of all trades, basically, you know what I mean?
Alright then. Show to the social.
Mr.
But producer? Not my type.
Also, just because he's a producer?
Them no liar.
Yes.
What? Shorty say, oh, she put balloon cause dog is a producer, right? Then the reason is because she has a producer, they no lie. Oh, she probably, I don't know, she probably come off of the context of them a go get bag a girl or something.
Serious?
I'm serious, yeah.
I don't believe that one.
A true producer no liar.
Yeah, dog. Cause you have to say, what the fuck she talk about?
Yeah? Alright, so much did I rate? How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Then give him a 6.
6? Why 6?
Because him cool.
So what give him the 6? Just the cool?
Him cool, yeah.
Alright, just because of the teeth?
Alright. You broke teeth in the front of your mouth and no go from it. I'm gonna still get one sip, because that can't fix.
No problem.
Alright, just because of the chance.
Just stay here.
Here? On to the hair.
I don't like guys with tall hair. Long, I should say long hair.
Oh, just because him groom ear?
Yeah. Just not my style. And he's a bit shorter than me too. And I'm very tall. As you can see.
No much tall. No shut up. I see my height.
Oh, so no.
Bro, you're tall.
Your turn this, my G, right? Alright, so you have a choice. What's the question?
What's your favorite fast food place?
I don't like fast food. But Chick-fil-A, I guess. Yeah.
That's it?
People like...
Starting today, anyone can monetize with ads as part of the all-new Beehive ad network.
Not for too long. Not for too long.
How long?
He needs to get back on his feet. But if I see it takes him maybe 2 years or more, and it's still the same thing, nothing is changing, then I think I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
So after 3 days ago.
Each other?
Yeah, we just...
So you have anything for say? 5.
That list.
Burst balloon.
Because it not gonna work out. So, yeah.
Why it not work out?
It just not gonna work out.
Is there a reason?
I don't think want to talk about that for the camera, so.
It is what it is, bro.
So, bro, me just wanna...
Yes,
Alright, my fault. Yeah, it's the next reaction I got better, bro. I just see doing something for Rolley the video bad still, but feel like I need some people with more. Cause I watch a few videos behind, I think the one them before did funny. The first one even though people are bashy people, but the dissing on them thing there, it make it more funny, you see me, that one, it's cool, but I nah get that. I nah get that funny vibe there from it. It just seem like a real dating show. I'm not watching a dating show, bro. I'd rather see the dissing them and them thing there, bro. I'd rather see somebody I get this. Somebody I say, hey boy, you're ugly, Look how your head stay, look how your dry. go your foot dry like chips. Them thing them want here, bro. So me probably either me I go probably try watch over about the one them I'm watch already way. Have more vibe in it. But them just calm and it's cool still, but yeah, man, I think me I'll watch it off. But anyway, yo, if I subscribe, Ray. Man, I try to be more consistent. You see me? Yeah, bro. I just threw me busy. I deal with something, dog. But yeah, bro. They are still. Big up on yourself. Manners and respect. Drop a sub. Ease.